Welcome to your own channel, engineering learners. Today our topic will be about on the dimension setting of the CAD. In previous lecture we was discussed the unit setup, which are so must. After the unit setting we should must set up the dimensions. Now why we are changing the dimensions? So if we can't set up the dimension setting, so what we'll do? So for example, I draw a line of 20 feet and 10 feet. For example, it is a room of 20 by 10 feet. So if I show its dimensions, so I will go to the dimensions and click on the linear, then start from here to here. So it will given the dimensions which we can't see it clearly. And if we zoom it, so we draw a line of 20 feet, and here are showing a value of more than 24 lakhs, but this value is in the decimal form, and here are not showing any unit that a line is in feet or is in meter. So that's why we are changing for solving this problem. We are changing the dimensions, we are setting up the dimensions setting. So now we are starting that how can we set up the dimension setting. So just click on D, enter the shortcut key of the dimension setting as D, enter. After that click on the modify. Now the first column is a line, so here we can change the color of our dimension line. For example, I just choose here a can color. The second column is the symbol and arrows, the symbol of the arrows and arrows. Here we can change the arrows, like here are different design: dot, open 30, dot, blank, closed, filled, but I choose here closed blank. Now the third is the text. So here we can change the height of the text, that how much of height we are just giving to our text. So here we can change the text. So if we see here, so here are just 0.1, 0.0 something, it is 1 inches. So it is too small, we can't see it. So I just so the text, I just put the text height 1 feet. You can choose different heights like 0.5 feet, 1 feet, or less or more than it. The next one is a primary unit. It is really must if you click on the primary unit. So here are different unit permits. So we can choose here engineering, click on the engineering, and our dimension setting will be done. Now click on OK, and then set current, and then click on the set current, and then close it. Now see here, see our dimension, it is clearly seen now. We can clearly see it, and we can also see its unit which we taken in feet. Before the dimension setting, it was giving us a wrong value which is more than 24 lakhs something, and its height was also so small, so we can't see it. Now it is clearly shown. Now if we draw any line, like I draw a line of 5 feet by 3 feet, and I go to the dimensions and click on the linear. Now if I show its dimensions, so it can clearly see now. You can take in any dimension, any height of dimensions according to your design. For example, you are decreasing the height, the text height, so just go to the dimensions and click on the modify, then just go to the text and go over here and just put 0.5 feet and then click on the OK. So the height will be decreased to 0.5 feet. So it's depend on your design that how much of text height you will be taken. So that's it for today's lecture. That was our second lecture about the full course of the CAD. So the third lecture will be uploaded tomorrow, so be there with me. And if you are new to my channel, so do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much. And if you are new, if you are first time to visit our channel, so just watch our previous video which is on the unit setting of the CAD. It is also very must, the first thing which we have to do, it was a unit setup. So just watch our previous video. I already given a link in the description, so just go and watch our previous video. So thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.